Hello again, my name is Rodney Reynolds and welcome to another video review. Today I will be looking at the Vantec CCK-6040H cooler. What is included in this package is a 3 to 4 pin power connector for the fan. You also get some thermal compound and the cooler itself. This cooler comes with a 6,800 RPM fan. That fan pushes 38 CFMs and it's a noisy 47 decibels. That noise level is really to be expected from a 60 millimeter, approximately 7,000 RPM fan. Any kind of cooler that has that kind of fan on top of it will be fairly noisy. Now this thing weighs in at under 400 grams at 394 grams, which is a good thing because most motherboard manufacturers do not recommend exceeding around 400 grams. The base on this is solid copper. It has 38 copper fins on it. They're all very evenly spaced. On the outside of this you have an aluminum shroud, and the clip design on this is just fantastic. You've got 3 clips on this side and you've got 3 on the other side. You know, it's going to make it very, very secure, and it's going to really mount it very snugly onto your motherboard. And of course there's no screwdrivers required with this. You just go ahead and clip it on with your fingers, which is always a great design. Also on the bottom of this, even though that this is actually a pre-production engineering sample, still you can see here that the base on this is very smooth, which you really want. You want a really smooth base to get good contact between the CPU and the copper itself. How loud is this Vantec? Well, let me just compare it to a Silverado cooler, a retail Pentium 4 cooler, and of course the Vantec cooler itself. Let's have a listen to the Vantec first. And next, the very quiet Intel Pentium 4 retail cooler. And finally, the Silverado, which is plugged directly into the motherboard. And once again, the Vantec. So, how is the cooling on this Vantec 6040H cooler? Well, it's quite good. With a really fast fan at around 7,000 RPMs, certainly almost any cooler with a nice block on it is going to get some good results. I'm using a 1 GHz Duron at 1.2 GHz at 1.85 volts in the BIOS. Now I'm getting your idle temperature result of 37 C and a max load temp of around 47 C. So certainly some good results, and also this, like all other Vantec products, the quality is really, really well put together, and also, of course, the clip design on this is just fantastic. 3 holes on either side really attaches this really securely to the motherboard, which is a good thing because you don't want that popping off. It used to be that you only had 2 clips, you know, 1 on either side, and that was kind of bad because if one of the plastic clips on the motherboard snapped, well, you're going to lose your cooler, you're going to fry your CPU, and well, nobody's happy when that happens. Overall, this is a kick-ass product. Again, my name is Rodney Reynolds, and this has been another video review. Be sure to check back very soon. I will have a brand new one for you then. Also check out my website at www.3dgameman.com, and while you're there, be sure to pop into the forums. In the forums you can register. Registration is free. Of course, you can go in there, leave your own suggestions and comments, and find out all kinds of information about this product and about all the products which I video review. Until the next time, take care.